Zozibini Tunzi Biography, Age, Family, Career, Miss Universe. In August 2019, Zozibini Tunzi's life changed when she was crowned Miss South Africa 2019. The incredible prizes, the fame, and a new natural hair icon, Zozibini is a star in the making. This is her biography. The viral hashtag #HandsOffZozi had people all over social media defending the beauty queen for her old Facebook posts. This comes after Bianca's old racist and mean tweets were brought to light, and as Miss Universe, Zozibini felt that she had to take responsibility for her actions. Zozibini made a video of her apologizing for these posts, and others saying she is not proud of herself. When it hit me, I was taken aback. When I read those things, I thought surely I'm human, and there must have been mistakes, that I've made. I can't really be as perfect as I'm made out to be. Zozibini took responsibility for her actions, and Mzansi being the good people that they are, they forgave her. Zozibini Tunzi Age. Zozibini was born in the Eastern Cape village Solo on 18 September 1993. She is 26 years old. Zozibini Tunzi family. She is her parents' mother Phyllis Wanadapi and father Langisa Tunzi's second child. She has an older sister Yanga, and two younger sisters Sibabal and Ayaka, who she calls her best friends. Her parents shared their love for education with their children from a young age. Her mother is a school principal, while Zozibini's father works in Pretoria at the Department of Higher Learning. Zozibini, who calls her parents her role models, has applied this foundation and love for education to her own life. She completed her schooling in Dlathu before moving to Cape Town to pursue her tertiary studies at the Cape Peninsula University of Technology. Zozibini Tunzi Education. For her primary education, Zozibini attended the Canon Academy in Dlathu, Eastern Cape. With a degree in public relations, Zozibini was a graduate intern at popular advertising agency Gilfie, just before her life changed as a Miss South Africa winner. Zozibini's career in the spotlight. Zozibini took a step into the spotlight in 2018 when she entered the reality TV show Presenter Search on 3. Although she did make it, she was destined for the spotlight. She just had to wait a little bit longer. On 9 August 2019, National Women's Day, Zozibini made her return to the ramp at the 61st Miss South Africa beauty pageant. She had previously entered the pageant in 2017, where she made it to the top 26 finalists. And in 2015, she has crowned Miss Mamelodi Sundowns. At the 2019 beauty pageant, which saw an all-female judging panel including former Miss South Africa and Miss Universe winner Demi Linau Peters, and current Miss Universe holder Catriona Gray, Zozibini impressed the judges and South Africa alike. With a new crown, Zozibini ushered in her reign with fantastic prizes including a Mercedes-Benz Cabriolet and an R5 million furnished Sandton apartment. For the course of her reign, she admitted to not having a driver's license at the time of her crowning, so she's probably using a chauffeur to get around in her sleek car. Almost 2 weeks after her crowning, Zozibini returned to her home, to a royal welcome. Everyone came out to celebrate our queen. After her crowning moment, Zozibini spoke on her passion to address education and poverty alleviation, especially as her home province was so affected by these social ills. She's also made a point of addressing gender-based violence, launching a social media campaign, which didn't go down too well with the people on social media, who have a running commentary on just about anything. And it's probably the same people on social media who didn't have any kind words to say of Zozibini's national costume that she'll wear for the Miss Universe pageant. During her crowning in August, Zozibini was also named as the contestant to represent the country at the annual Miss Universe contest in mid-December 2019. The Miss South Africa 2019 runner-up Sasha Lee Olivia will represent Mzansi at Miss World 2019. The Miss Universe pageant is taking place in Atlanta, Georgia, at the newly opened Tyler Perry Studios. Zozibini made a splash on the Miss Universe website when her biography was published, and her photo showed her hair wrapped in a beautiful green does, the only contestant whose head was covered. And it didn't take Zozibini long to make friends with the other contestants. She's a firm favorite to walk away with the crown, and even with her busy schedule of dress fittings and rehearsals, she continued to share her exciting time with her social media following. Zozibini Tunzi Miss Universe. South Africans could not have woken up to happier news that their very own Zozibini Tunzi had been crowned Miss Universe 2019. The Eastern Cape beauty queen was crowned during the beauty pageant and beat off Mexico and Puerto Rico to claim the title. Not only did she wow us with her amazing looks, but she commanded the universe's attention with her eloquent, intelligent, and powerful answers. Her inspiring closing speech drew a strong reaction from the crowds and fans and undoubtedly secured her spot as the winner.
Yeah.